What's up, boss dons? CurtisDonDeano, and today I'm coming to you from my spaceship. Yes, I am on my spaceship flying to a city near you. It's like, no, that was horribly corny. But today we're unboxing some Star Wars Rivalry highs. Now, I'm really familiar with the shoe, but sadly I'm not really familiar with anything involving Star Wars. I am a person who kind of pays attention to pop culture, so I do know who Yo is. And I do know a little bit about Star Wars. And by a little bit, I mean like, I probably know more about what their movies gross than what I know about Star Wars. Shout out to Grace and Beyond the Trailer, one of my favorite YouTube channels. But whatever the case is, it's really special packaging, as you can see. I never really show much because there's really never much to show. But they put in a lot of details. So, of course, we got like some stars because Star Wars. Then we got Chewbacca, and then it looks like we have like other players. It's almost like a collect them all type thing, and it's like a gloss, like silhouette. We got Chewbacca right there with the Adidas logo. Then on the side, we got some Adidas action, some trefoil logos, some more stripes, Star Wars. It says 40, The Empire Strikes Back. So these might be like some 40th anniversary collabs. The box itself is so tough. We got a window box, and then on top of that, we got like this thing right here, which just looks like it's meant to just like hang on the wall like a toy, which is very cool. You did not just watch my spaceship shake. That was gravity. So then it looks like you just slide. Wait, okay. You slide. And once you slide them out, okay. So before we can slide them out, I see that we have, this is the window. And I bought these months ago, y'all, but I got them shipped because I'm never home anymore. I got them shipped to my sister's house, and I never picked them up from her. She literally moved, and I went to go see her new place, and then that's how I even discovered the situation at hand. This camera keeps moving. I don't know why. I need to tighten it up. So they give us a poster. When's the last time you got a poster with your shoes? Oh, sorry. So this is the Chewbacca posters. You know, I really like this style drawing. And then this is like, it looks like the piece of a poster, and it's like a man and a woman and a man kissing. I don't really know any of these characters, so I really don't know anything. But nice poster, definitely nice quality. I'll probably just leave it in the box just in case it's worth something one day. I'm sure it will be, but I'm gonna wear the shoes. I'm letting y'all know that now. I don't play those games. Satan, get thee behind. Hey! That's my Nicki Minaj impersonation. Okay, so this is the shoe. This is the Chewbacca Rivalry High. Now, I've owned Rivalry Highs, top 10s. Now, with this shoe is very, very, very tough to me already because one, for this season, like as far as like what I've been purchasing, a lot more browns and blacks and neutrals and terms of that, like just, you know, matching my skin, you know the vibes. So long story short, just to get into the shoe a little bit, we have like a really, really rough suede going around. Like, looks like it's been cleaned a lot, but it fits the vibe for that Chewbacca feel. Then we got like some like little hair. Oh, they shedding already. But it reminds me of like, I feel like it's a horrible fur, but I mean, he is Chewbacca. You know, like you kind of saw somebody like big hairy look like Chew, you know? So definitely fits that vibe. I love how the fur is coming out randomly. I love how it's coming out randomly. I think these will look really nice on with a really nice outfit. So we got like looks like an oversized tongue, but on the tongue, the thing that he wears, I guess, around his body, which looks like some type of bullet carrying thing, but it looks like he has some type of like bow and arrow type thing. I forgot what the big ones like that are called, but yeah. So he probably has like, these are probably like his like little things he shoots. I gotta watch the movie. So then we got some tan strings. This is really important right here. The caps, the lace caps. I really always think these are very important. And then it says like, you can't really see it. Hold on, let me see if it'll focus. Ooh, is that a focus? It looks like it says Wookiee. And I mean, that's pretty much cool. Then I just want to show you the back side of the sun because it's pretty wide. So you get a lot of fur, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, these are size 8. So the bottom has like some broken up rocks. I'm not sure if this is how the original bottom looks, but this is just a look at the bottom just in case you guys wanted to see that. Then on the back we got the Adidas logo again. It's kind of, I guess that's embossed. I guess it's embossed into it. And then like once again that rough suede, there's some more fur coming out the side. You gotta let your fur go. These look like they were designed directly by Jeremy Scott. I say that as a compliment. Even though, to be honest, I'm not really too much of a fan of Jeremy Scott since, you know, the whole, I don't know, since he's been at Machino, and I don't know, ever since I seen him at the Met with his client, he's just kind of been throwing me off, rubbing me the wrong way. He used to be one of my favorite designers, and actually still is one of my favorite designers, but he's problematic. And maybe it's just problematic to me because of what I care about, but because I care about the things I care about so caringly, I'm just offended by him in general. So then the tongue has, I don't know if y'all know, but talking and shit will make your mouth so dry. And the tongue has Chewbacca on it. I was trying to get the sole out for a minute, but it seemed like it was stuck for a while there. So, oh yeah, I don't think it was supposed to be removed. But, so then we got him shooting on there with Disney, and then you got Adidas, Star Wars, and then it says Lucasfilm. Lucasfilm is the company that Disney owns that has rights to Star Wars. I believe that's how that goes. The same way like Marvel is Marvel, but Disney owns Marvel. So, but honestly, I don't know how the hell you lace these. I think these should be pretty. Okay, it's really long laces. I'm sorry. Usually, I've been holding the shoe down a lot. I'm so used to you guys being able to see like my, you know, bottom half of my body. By the way, I'm wearing a Dino sweatsuit. This sweatsuit is called the Bad Space sweatsuit, ironically, not because of what's at hand. And I'm gonna get back to the shoe, but since I'm here, I'm gonna just talk about it. It's called Bad Space because I've been creating these items called bad ending items, whether it be t-shirts, hoodies, sweaters, whatever the fuck. And they kind of have like this type of handwritten, graphic-y, colorful, yet gothic-y vibe to them. So I've been trying to like do it without me having to do the work, because usually I hand make those hoodies. So like I was just like, yo, I want to do something that like it's kind of my vibe, but you know, doesn't have all the stuff. So then, you know, we got like a little spaceship right there. Then we got Dino. Then we got, oh, this chair sound like it's breaking. Then we got some It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. Everything has meaning. It's really tough. We got like the solar system right here, like my own solar system. It looks like it's missing a planet. Oh, where'd it go? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And down here we got like a dope quote, and I'll get into that later. But whatever the case is, so we definitely have been on like this like space wave lately, and that's just kind of like where we stand at, you know. Roll up the spaceship and we can get high. But the only reason why I brought that up is because I thought you guys should know. Oh shit, hold up, wait till I pulled another shoe out. I just want to bring up another thing. I really love the color play right here, the color blocking, like the chocolate brown, because that's pretty much the only place I see it on the sneaker, right there. So I'm glad that they did that. I think that was really smart. One thing I didn't really pick out or point out was that the lace locks say Star Wars. Hold on, this is so difficult to do. The lace locks say Star Wars. I think that's pretty tough. And now I'm looking and seeing. Sorry, I just don't see if the box had anything else in it. Now I'm looking and seeing, and it looks like they give you additional lace locks. Oh, they do. So one of them is, or says, Chewbacca, and the other one is like their spaceship, I guess that. So that's pretty tough. I feel like you get a lot for your money. Mind you, these retailed at $150. Oh look, and they got, I guess this is the signature sound he makes, like roar. And I feel so bad for me, because if that was wrong, I know people would probably be in my ass. I love little details like that. I feel like it makes it really special. I mean, this is Adidas we're talking about. They pretty much could do anything. So this type of shit is small, like really small. Like, have y'all seen what they've been doing with Beyonce and Ivy Park? Like, Beyonce always has been the queen of everything. But who told her to come and be the queen of marketing clothes too? Like, that's my space, well, the space I want to be in. So don't come trying to like step, but also give me ideas, because her recent shoes, like her recent collection is called Icy Park, which is a play on Ivy Park. And what I think she did so masterfully, so great, so graciously, is she sent the shoes off in a fucking block of ice. Do you know how, like, what stands for to say? Her mind. Yes, her mind. Ooh. But I just want to try these on really quickly because I gotta see how they fit. This little thing right here kind of make it cartoony, but kind of cool. I hate the way they got the shoestrings, because it's like I don't know how I'm supposed to lace them. So the 8, they're definitely true to size. It's a little roomy, but not too much. I would say these true to size. I got a small foot, but wide. So I say that to say that you guys should probably get your true size. I wouldn't size down, I wouldn't size up. I seen these online, like before I did this video, I just wanted to Google a little information, and I seen these online for like $100, $120. They aren't going over retail, so I think you might be able to get in and get a pair if you're interested. I mean, I think that pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like, subscribe, check out my channel, you know, all of that good. I've been doing this for a long time, man. I've been doing this for a long time. I need y'all to subscribe. But other than that, stay untouchable. Godspeed.